Welcome back to the channel, gentlemen. Today we're diving into a topic that can transform your dating life, the psychological triggers that can make any woman obsessed with you. Understanding these triggers can give you the edge you need in the world of attraction and seduction. So let's jump right in. Trigger number 1, mystery. Women are naturally drawn to men who have an air of mystery about them. This doesn't mean you should be secretive or dishonest, but rather, cultivate an intriguing persona, share stories that pique her curiosity, but don't reveal everything at once. This creates a sense of anticipation and keeps her wanting to know more about you. Remember, a little mystery can go a long way in making you irresistible. Trigger number 2, challenge. Women often find themselves attracted to men who present a challenge. This doesn't mean playing hard to get in a manipulative way, but rather showing that you have your own life, interests, and goals. When you're not overly available, it creates a sense of intrigue. Engage her in playful banter and don't be afraid to tease her a little. This playful challenge can spark her interest and make her want to pursue you. Trigger number 3, emotional connection. Building a strong emotional bond is crucial in making a woman feel obsessed with you. Share your thoughts, dreams, and vulnerabilities. Ask her about her passions and listen actively. When she feels understood and valued, it deepens her attraction. Remember, emotional intimacy can be a powerful trigger that keeps her coming back for more. Trigger number 4, confidence. Confidence is one of the most attractive traits a man can possess. It's not about being arrogant, it's about being comfortable in your own skin. Work on your self-esteem and body language. Stand tall, make eye contact, and speak clearly. When you exude confidence, it not only attracts women, but also makes them feel secure in your presence. Remember, a confident man is often seen as a leader, and women are naturally drawn to leaders. Trigger number 5, touch. Physical touch can create a powerful connection and increase attraction. Simple gestures like a light touch on her arm during a conversation or a warm hug can trigger feelings of intimacy. However, it's essential to be respectful and aware of her comfort level. When done right, touch can enhance the emotional bond and make her feel more connected to you. In conclusion, understanding these psychological triggers can significantly enhance your ability to attract and connect with women. Remember, it's about being genuine and respectful while leveraging these principles to create deeper connections. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your experiences in the comments below. What strategies have worked for you? Until next time, keep improving and stay confident.